In this video, I'm taking you through 15 of the most heart-melting, chemistry-filled Turkish series that will steal your sleep and your heart. Get ready, because once you start watching these, there's no going back. Number 1. Kizil Goncalar. Meryem, a woman married off at 14 in an Islamic sect, now determined to save her daughter Zeynep from the same fate. Meryem secretly starts working for Levent, a secular psychiatrist, to earn money for an escape. Despite their clashing beliefs, Meryem and Levent form a bond. Meanwhile, Zeynep, a bright and determined teenager, is thrust into an arranged marriage with Junaid. Junaid, the tormented heir of a religious sect, grapples with deep-seated trauma and mental health challenges, including OCD and dissociative episodes. Despite the circumstances, a profound bond blossoms between them, marked by mutual understanding and silent support. Zeynep becomes Junaid's anchor, helping him navigate his inner turmoil and confront painful truths about his past. Their relationship, though constrained by societal and familial pressures, evolves into a sanctuary where both find solace. The series masterfully intertwines philosophical dialogues and emotional depth, making it a thought-provoking watch that resonates with audiences seeking meaningful storytelling. Number 2. Hududsuz Sevda. Hududsuz Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karsu, who returns to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to run away when he was just 5 years old, after his father was murdered by the local crime boss, Rizwan Leto. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart, Yasemin. But when Rizwan's son murders Yasemin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army, with the sole purpose of destroying Rizwan Leto. Halil gains some unexpected allies as he works his way through Rizwan's criminal operations, including Rizwan's daughter Zeynep. Zeynep wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to help him. Zeynep's school life crush on Halil is soon rekindled, and before long, she falls madly in love with her father's enemy, and there is nothing more dangerous than a Black Sea woman in love. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Before going any further, I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video. Your support truly keeps me going. Number 3. Dila and Baran, forced into marriage to end a blood feud, amidst the hostility of those around them. Baran, burdened by guilt over an attack that claimed his mother's life, must suppress his hatred for his enemies to save his brother and seek family reconciliation. Destiny takes a sinister turn when Baran's uncle, the mastermind behind the attack, lays a trap to seize the family fortune. To break the cycle of vengeance, Baran marries Dila, his former attraction, but their love is tested by the deep-rooted animosity between their families. As their passion intensifies, it becomes a force that can either lead to love's bloom or ultimate devastation. Number 4. Guljemal. The story revolves around the love that begins with hatred between Gulsmal, Murad Anilmish, whom his mother abandoned and turned into a dark monster when he was young, and the beautiful Deva, Melis Sezin, who becomes engulfed in a whirlwind of fire, passion, and storm. In Guljemal's battle with his mother, will an unexpected love or the years of hatred he has harbored prevail? And what about Deva? Watch this series to find out. Number 5. Maviye Surgun. Maviye Surgun is a great romantic series. This series follows Oguz, who has lost his wife and now is relocated with his children to a seaside town. One day, he saves a young woman named Difne and welcomes her into his home. Her presence brings a glimmer of hope back into their lives. However, when Difne regains her memory, she discovers she was a con artist and must stay hidden. How long can she keep her secret safe? Will Oj find out about the dangerous mob she's hiding from, and how will it affect their relationship? Number 6. My Name is Farah. My Name is Farah, or Adem Farah, is a story about Farah, an Iranian woman, lives in Istanbul illegally with her son. Despite having a medical degree, she works as a cleaning lady to support her son. Her son has a rare disease, and Farah strives to provide proper care and treatment for him. During her job, Farah witnesses a murder and becomes a target for the mafia. Tahir, a ruthless mafia member, offers her a chance to clean the crime scene but plans to kill her later. Farah manages to escape Tahir's clutches, but he discovers her location. Tahir faces a dilemma as he decides the fate of Farah and her child, ultimately leaving her alive under the condition of silence. The situation intensifies when it's revealed that the murder victim was an undercover policeman. A determined police chief commissioner, Mehmet, becomes obsessed with solving the case. The story revolves around Farah's struggle for survival, Tahir's conflicting choices, and Mehmet's pursuit of justice. Themes of sacrifice, redemption, and the consequences of decisions are explored throughout the narrative. Number 7. 100 Years of Miracle. 100 Years of Miracle is one of the most outstanding romantic fantasy Turkish series of the year, where we see the story of a man named Ali Tahir, who has lived for 100 years without getting old. After going through many ups and downs, he decides to end his life. However, everything changes when he meets a woman named Harika. Their meeting brings a new meaning to Ali's life, and he begins to find happiness again. They embark on a journey together, discovering more about themselves and each other. Love grows between them, and their story unfolds against the beautiful backdrop of Istanbul. This Turkish drama explores the power of love and the pursuit of happiness, showing that sometimes unexpected encounters can change our lives for the better. Harika and Kemal's love story shines, while past relationships feel less engaging. Number 8. Esaret. Redemption. Esaret follows Orhun's vengeful journey after his sister's death in Eritrea. He saves Hira, who unintentionally contributed to her demise, and brings her to Istanbul for torment instead of death. Hira, a former captive, now lives as a prisoner in Orhun's home, desperate to prove her innocence. The series delves into their complex relationship as Orhun grapples with revenge, exploring themes of redemption and forgiveness within their shared pain. Number 9. Ruhun Duymaz. 2023. Onur Karsu is a top agent of Turkish intelligence, and he is after Divan Koral, the owner of Turkey's largest jewelry company. Divan is actually the member of the biggest criminal organization in Turkey, and he uses his jewelry company as a front for his dirty business. In order to catch Divan, Onur becomes lover of Divan's sister and proposes her. But her sister's friend AJ, who is also a criminal, figures out that what Onur is up to. She tries to tell this to her friend, but Onur catches her. Onur works hard to catch criminals, while AJ is herself a criminal. So, what will happen when both of them have to work together? Will they get closer to each other? Number 10. Dewey Beni. Dewey Beni is a young adult drama unfolding in an elite high school, tackling issues like bullying, social inequality, and teenage romances. Akim and Meltem, close friends from a modest neighborhood, dream of attending Dogru High School, exclusive to the wealthy. However, tragedy strikes when Meltem is hit by a car, leading to scholarships for Akim, Baker, and Aishai to join the prestigious school. Their dreams of a better life turn into a battle for survival as they confront the harsh realities of social disparity among the wealthy students, shattering their preconceived notions of privilege. The series delves into their struggles and the stark contrast between their worlds. Number 11. Bambashka Biri. Bambashka Biri centers around the brutal murder of Hamdi Atilbey. This becomes the pivot of destiny for Leela, a prosecutor with a turbulent past longing for a fresh start, and Kenan, an ambitious journalist seeking to redefine his life. Amid conflicting interests, their mutual attraction deepens, with Kenan falling under the spell of Leela's beauty while she remains wary of his journalistic agenda. As they delve into the murder case, their undeniable connection intensifies, even though barriers such as Kenan's father, Chief Prosecutor Turan, initially keep Leela at bay. However, her resistance gradually crumbles, and she finds herself irresistibly drawn to the charismatic man who commands admiration from all corners of their world. Number 12. Yabani. The series portrays the life of a young man named Yaman who grew up on the streets, along with his friends, as they face survival challenges. But unlike his friends, Yaman was actually kidnapped from a wealthy family as a child and ended up on the streets. Years later, he unintentionally returns home and struggles to rebuild his life. Series shows how the upper class need the underclass to survive, feed on them. Series is magnificently well executed, suspenseful, and edgy. Time flies fast while watching the series. You don't get bored or want to skip scenes. Let's hope the series continues its course to be impressive and writers won't ruin it. Number 13. Ruzgarli Tepi. Zainab is the smart, well-behaved, exemplary daughter of the wealthiest family in the town where she lives, while Halil is a young man who lost his mother and father at an early age and lives with his aunt with a grudge to avenge his family. These two young people who live despite their families will find themselves in an unthinkable blind knot. According to me, this series has too much misunderstandings, coupled with a lackluster plot and an unconvincing portrayal of Halil's intense anger, appear more like a psychopath seeking revenge on non-threatening women. But the lead actress demonstrates potential with her strong portrayal of the character Zainab. Before we go any further, a humble request, please give this video a like. Thanks. Number 14. Safir. Safir is the most recent Turkish series of Özge Yağız, where we see the story, which revolves around the Gülsoy family, based in Cappadocia. Their lives are shaken by a tragic event, prompting the return of the eldest son, Ateş, from America. Ateş, who had distanced himself due to family conflicts, returns at his mother's request to help run the family business with his brothers, Yaman and Okan. Yaman plans to propose to his longtime love, Feraye Özge Yağız, but a devastating incident on Feraye's birthday disrupts their plans. As Yaman has accidentally hit the mafia leader's son into coma. Feraye's stepmother is the only witness of this incident, so she forces Yaman to marry her daughter Alina, Feraye's stepsister. Otherwise she will tell the truth to the mafia leader. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 15. Zemheri. Zemheri is a compelling drama revolving around Firuze and Ayaz, two young individuals from poor families who fall deeply in love. However, their love faces unforeseen challenges, and Ayaz makes a difficult decision to protect his family, sacrificing their relationship. After 2 years of separation, their paths cross again when Firuze's father faces false accusations in a construction site accident. As Firuze seeks to prove her father's innocence, she encounters Ayaz, who plays a crucial role in the case. The series delves into themes of love, sacrifice, forgiveness, and the pursuit of justice. Zemheri is a Turkish series with a gripping love story and outstanding performances. The chemistry between Firuze and Ayaz is captivating, making it a must-watch for fans of romance and drama. So that was the video, friends, but if you want to watch more Turkish series like this, then please click here.